inside the VinDime Limo, trying to take pictures of the names, but it's kind of hard to do. So I just thought I'd do a video so I can show you some of the names and make sure you see it. Holding my breath. I'm trying to do this. And it's funny because the A's started here. I'm gonna have to do this over again, but we did this a couple times. But so the A started right here, and then it finishes over here, and it's alphabetized by first name. Alright, so let's go over here. Thank you so much for helping to bring this back to life. We'll have the metal god Alfred, fuck yeah. Some of you wanted, you know, not your name engraved, and I went with what you said. There was a few names that came in after the deadline, so I'm gonna have to do this again. But for now, all like 800 names of people who helped me fix this limousine up. I don't know if you can see that wild style tattoo. There you go. Okay, did you see your name? If not, go slow motion or something, because yeah, there's a lot of you on here. Thank you very much again for doing this. I haven't been in the limo in a few weeks. I was just talking to my mechanic friend about some of the stuff we want to do with suspension and engine stuff, but everything else is pretty much ready to go. Thank you again for doing this. If I could, I'd give some of this tequila to all of you that helped me do this. Even if you donated $1, your name made it on to this list here. I appreciate it so much. I could not have done this without your help. I'm so serious. These are the names, okay? And let me just go to the coolest thing here, which is this Vinnie Dime tribute. Pictures by Chad Lee. Look at that. In loving memory of Vinnie Paul and Dimebag Darrell. They came to rock and rock like none other. With hearts twice the size of Texas, of beloved brothers, companions, mentors, idols, and friends. We love you, Diamond Vinnie. Thanks forever. This historic and legendary limo, first bought by the Abbott brothers in Texas back in 2001, is brought roaring back to life in 2021 because of the extreme generosity of all those touched by the music and spirit of Vinnie Dime. Peace in the celebrated cloud of pan, fucking terror, hell yeah, and damage plan. Really cool. Fucking A. Thanks again to Enrique from Platinum Big Toys in Corona, California for hooking this up. Man, look at that. That's from Vinnie's house in Vegas. All right. So I hope you saw the names. There's the nice display. And let's see. Where's the thing? There it is. Hey driver, take me to the clubhouse, damn it. Oh, there's no driver. I'm the driver. Thanks again for everything. Appreciate and love you very much. All right, we'll see you soon. See you at Aftershock in Sacramento. I'm bringing this thing over there. Come on now.